You guys, this is crazy. This is so freaking crazy. I would have not guessed. I would have not even guessed. Hey guys, Saving with Shay, and who's glad you're here? I am. And so listen, I want to make this video quick, y'all, because I've been dragging my feet with this with my year-end video of couponing. Dragging my feet, you guys. So I set aside an hour and a half last night to completely finish all my numbers for 2022. But if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Also make sure that you smash the like button, support your girl. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. So listen, tracking my spending, okay? I started tracking my spending for 2022 because I really just want to see how much I was spending. All right, I know that, you know, when we do our videos, everything is so pretty and perfect and butterflies and rainbows when you're making money here, you're making money there, money maker here, money maker there. But at the end of the day, are you really making money? Is it really a good deal? And so that was kind of why I wanted to do this series and why I wanted to start tracking my spending. It was scary as hell. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. It was scary because it was like, do I really want to know? Like, do I really want to know? Because I know a lot of you guys, you really don't want to know. And so, so that was why I started tracking my spending. All right, so, fuck. You guys, this is crazy. This is so freaking crazy. This is so freaking crazy because I would have not guessed. I would have not even guessed. I'm gonna try to make this video quick because I don't want it to be long. I printed out a copy of it. I have it here on my computer as well. I will probably insert a screenshot or whatever for you guys. I'm hoping there's no typos, you guys. I really am, because last night my eyes were getting a little blurry and I was just like, okay girl, I need to go to sleep because your eyes are getting blurry. And so I kind of went over it briefly this morning. And so, all right, so let me tell you a few things that are important. All right, when it comes to tracking your spending, it's important to factor in tax. That's like the most important thing because you can never avoid tax. Like tax is tax, you gotta pay your tax. And so tax is a very important factor. You have to include that. I also include supplies. What I mean by supplies are paper, ink, and coupons, whether it be whole inserts, whether it be clip coupons, whether it be IPs or internet printables. Those are things that I have to factor in the cost of supplies. You know, I have to factor in tax. All right, so I factor in those two major things. All right. Now I know a lot of people say, oh, you know, I don't buy coupons because it's not worth it. If you're a couponer, then it defeats the purpose of savings. But if I buy inserts for the week and it costs me $20, but I use $200 worth of coupons, then clearly it's worth it. But I can understand how some people may not feel like it's worth it to them, but it's worth it to me to buy inserts. I buy them every week. I think in July or August or so, I kind of slowed down. I wasn't really buying inserts much, but for the most part, I do buy inserts every week. I print them from the computer. I buy IPs. So yes, I do feel like buying coupons is important for me. And again, you have to do what's best for you. And if you don't feel like it's worth it for you to buy coupons, then don't buy them. All right. But me, yes, it's important. All right. It's important. All right. So there's that. And then the other thing when it pertains to gift cards. So some of the deals were gift card based. Like the only cash out method was a gift card. So those deals I did not include in my numbers per se, but I will add the gift cards at the end. All right. Gift cards being, let me see, like Alexa, it goes to your Amazon balance. Cashwalk only does gift cards. Zardy, you guys remember Zardy? Yeah, it only lasted 3 months, March, April, and May, and that was it. And it was done. All right, that one, only Walmart gift cards. More recently, we did the Olay gift card, which was $25. Johnson & Johnson was $10. And then there was a Blue Diamond rebate that I did as well. All right, so those gift cards I added at the end, so that way we don't add those into the actual money per se. All right, so I'm gonna try to make this quick because I don't want the video to be too long. All right, and so I'm not going to break each individual month down with you guys. I'm just going to give you just the total of everything all together. All right, so as far as our retail for everything for 2022, it was $15,290.94, you guys. So almost $15,300, you guys, was our retail for 2022. All right, I had $967.45 in sales tax, and then I used $5,483.61 in coupons, you guys. All right, almost $5,500 I used in coupons. All right, and then the cost of supplies, being again printer paper, ink, and coupons, was $877. So if I only paid $877 in supplies, but I used almost $5,500 worth of coupons, then clearly your girl I need my coupons. All right, clearly it's worth it for me to buy coupons if it's going to cost me $877 and I'm going to get a value of $5,500 back. So for me, definitely worth it to buy coupons. All right, and so the out of pocket came down to $11,652.83. So that's how much your girl paid out of pocket for 2022 couponing, which is crazy when you add it all up and you're like, dang, you spent $11,000. $11,652 is freaking crazy. And again, if I wasn't tracking, your girl wouldn't know. I wouldn't even know. I wouldn't even not know. Like, when you think about it, we're doing deals here, deals there, transactions, and it's like, it might be like $7 here, $8 there, but dude, to know that it actually added up to $11,000. Of course, we're rolling rebate money, so we're never ever spending our own money. We're always rolling rebate money back into it. Okay, that's how you do it. All right, you never spend your own money unless you're paying yourself back. And so I'm going to list these rebate apps in order from the highest earned to the lowest. All right, my number one highest earned is, of course, Ibotta. I use the app more than anything. And so for that app, I earned $5,664.33. Number two was Brand Club at $4,276.82. Most of that is referrals because a ton of you guys use my referrals, and yeah. All right, number three is Shopkick, which was $2,369.24. Number four was Swagbucks. That one was $1,861.87. Number five was Inbox Dollars, which was $1,395.93. Number six was My Points, which was $9.20.22. Number seven was Fetch Reward, which was $749.13. Number eight was Tada, which was $479.05. And number nine was coupons.com, which was $368.01. Number 10 was Checkout 51, which was $359.75. Number 11 was Flavor Wiki, which was $323. Number 12 was the Aisles app, which was $183.20. 13 was Merryfield at $60.64, and a lot of that is referrals as well. Number 14 was Field Agent, $24.45. I think I only did 2 deals in the whole year, which is crazy, right? Number 15, $7.50 for ShopMium. All right. And then PayPal was $19. Those were deals that went straight to your PayPal. So the total earned from rebate apps is $19,062.14, you guys. Like, your girl almost made $20,000 in rebate apps. That's freaking crazy. That in itself is crazy, because I know some people don't even make $20,000 a year at a job, and we made it off of rebate apps, you guys. Not to mention all of the stuff that we got. Like, you see part of it back here, but I have the garage. I just posted a video. As a matter of fact, I'll pin the video up here somewhere, or put it in the description. But I just did a stockpile video for you guys. I have a stockpile in the garage. I have this here behind me, And then I have other stuff on the other side too that I'm trying to still organize. When we deduct the cost, which was $11,652, it brings it to $7,409, you guys. So even after like the cost of supplies, tax, your girl still made over $7,000, you guys, last year couponing, which is crazy. And we're not even beginning to factor in like reselling. We're not even looking at that, all right? Which is crazy. Now, when we factor in the gift cards, because some of these things were strictly gift cards, like Alexa, it goes straight to your Amazon balance. When you factor in Cashwalk, they only do gift cards on there. Zardy, it only lasted 3 months, March, April, and May, but it did go to gift card only. And then more recently, we did the $25 Olay gift card. There was a Johnson & Johnson one. There was a Blue Diamond one. So when I add up all the gift cards, it was $352.75 in gift cards. So the total of everything, if you wanted to add the $74.09 to our gift card total, is $7,762.06, you guys. So even after it's all said and done, your girl still made $7,762.06. That in itself is freaking crazy, you guys. So again, I encourage you guys, track your spending. Even if you say, okay, I'm gonna pick this month, month of February, I'm just gonna track my spending and see what I spend. Just do it for a whole month. I challenge you guys. 30 days tracking your spending, and see how you are actually doing. Are you actually making money? Are you wasting money? And so I'll leave it there because I don't want this video to get too long. What I'm gonna end up doing with this is I'm just gonna fold this up and put it in my shoebox for 2022 with the 2022 coupons. And then that way I'll be able to use this when it comes to taxes and stuff as well. Other than that, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to show your girl a little love by liking the video, and I will see you guys in the next video for watching. Bye, guys.